Hey guys, so it's Saturday. It's going to be close to 80 degrees today. It's going to be 80 degrees for the next couple of days. The lows are going to get down to the mid 50s. I'm doing my outside garden. So come along with me while I work on my outside garden. The first thing I'm going to do, fill up some grow bags. These are the grow bags I have. I believe they are like 3-gallon bags. We won't fill them up. All right, so 2 bags of this compost that's 1 cubic feet. 2 bags gave me 3 grow bags full of compost. So I got 2 more bags. I'm gonna do 3 more grow bags. Then we'll be back. Don't forget, hydrate, wear sunscreen. We're in Arizona. Only 2 bags comfortably fit on one of these yellow lids. So I'm gonna go get a 3rd yellow lid. Probably gonna put it right there. I'm also gonna finish putting the mulch out. Here we go. We got the mulch laid out. Right here is all the mulch laid out. It's just to help me with when it rains, so I'm not walking in the mud. I'm gonna spend some time filling in some of the garden beds. We still have to put up the top part to give you an idea of what that's going to look like. See that post running right through here? It's actually going to get cut shorter. It's going to get attached to the roof right there. We're also going to run a post from there, from there, from there, and from that corner. And that's what we're going to be putting all of our bird netting on. I don't know if this is straight or not. I'm going to cover everything with bird netting, and then I'm going to put out my mouse traps because the bottom of the fence is not yet secure, so mice could get in. So that's the next thing I'm going to be working on. This weekend, my husband's going to be uncovering the spigot that comes out of our water tank so that I can hook it up to the hose that I have in here, make it easier to water in here. Plus, I can attach that hose to the outside of the greenhouse so that I have access to water on the inside. And it'll just make the whole watering thing a lot easier. My plan is to deep water every 3 days once the garden is established. That should be enough to keep everything alive and flourishing. Hopefully we get a real monsoon season this year. And that way, you know, there'll be some times where I won't have to water, because the rain's going to do it on its own. But yeah, outside garden is set up. It's ready to go. I just got to get everything put in the ground or in the soil and watered in, and then we'll be good to go for a while. I'll give you a final tour when everything is in place. Hydrate.